increase in temperatures across the state yesterday? Yes, it was warmer as we were expecting, and we're going to continue the climb into the upcoming weekend. It was at 84 yesterday in Lexington and Richmond. Most of the day, though, was spent in the low 80s. We just had a brief little period at the airport before some of those thicker clouds moved in by mid to late afternoon, where we spiked up briefly to 84. Most of the afternoon was around 82, 83 degrees. Still, there were a few upper 70s out east. That was yesterday. And the reason I show that to you is because I want to compare that to what's going to happen for today. Looking at some scattered clouds this morning out in far east Kentucky, none of these producing any rain, but we did have a little cluster of showers from late last night that worked their way in the wee hours of this morning down through Cumberland County, back toward Monroe County, and even clipped parts of Clinton and southwestern parts of Wayne County. It wasn't much, but it's the first rainfall or shower activity we've had in several days. We're in the 50s and 60s outside this morning. We've got 64 over in Moorhead this morning. It's because that little band of clouds off to the east, that extends down to even to Jackson in 62. Now, when you get down in the valleys, that's where temperatures are still back down into the mid 50s in some spots. Lexington, though, we have gone back up to 60. Now, there is a front to the north. This front not going to make it in here. We are, though, going to be in the upper level pattern, starting to see this little wave of energy that created those scattered clouds and that spotty shower or two overnight more to our southwest. That starts to move south away from the state as the day wears on. So what that means for us is that we'll likely still see some scattered clouds. And in southern Kentucky, I won't rule out a sprinkle or maybe a stray shower. There's not going to be much out of that. Tomorrow is a day that we're back full-blown, mostly sunny. Getting a little warmer tomorrow, even despite a northeast wind. Getting a little warmer than that on Saturday. Something I'm going to watch is to see if this trend holds true here that our in-house computer model is showing by the time we work our way into Saturday, is we're kind of on the eastern fringe of that upper level high, so you can get disturbances that ride around that ridge. That may bring us a little better chance for some showers, maybe a storm, even Saturday night. We'll see if that holds. I've kept the rain chance out for Saturday right now. Sunday, there's the isolated rain chance, and I've had to drop the chance on Monday as it looks like that front is out of here and we start building the heat back. Upper 80s to near 90 hanging on even into, Krista, the middle of next week. The next cool down potentially looks to really be end of next week, and we may get a shower chance there. It doesn't look like much.